Pairing your Eargo Neo to the Eargo app. Ensure your Eargo charger is all charged up and the devices are seated inside. Download the Eargo app, and while it's downloading, check to make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. Once the app has finished downloading, open it up, then click Connect Charger. The app will find your charger and the charger indicator lights will come on and turn blue. Click Connect to pair your device to the charger. When your phone prompts you, click OK. As soon as the pairing is complete, go ahead and click OK. And don't worry, pairing is quick and easy. It'll only take a few seconds. If you have any trouble pairing or you have questions about your Eargos, don't hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-61-EARGO or press Contact in the app.